Oye, pero una pinga eso.
¿Qué?
Son pingas. ¿Y cómo te le pusiste esa vaina ahí?
¿Que le puse qué?
Ajá, esa vaina ahí. No, la pinga, ¿no?
¿Tú no ves que son dos?
¿Cómo dos?
¿Quieres ver la mata?
Ajá, pero no es así. Tú le pusiste la pinga ahí adentro. Eso es una pinga, ¿eh?
Oye, mira esto que creció en el jardín. I'm going to show you something I grew, not where you're thinking. I grew this in my garden. It's the infamous Peter Pepper. Got some nice shapes. I like to think they're nice shapes. This one looks like it had a zipper accident or something. And yeah, a lot of people have been screaming for a review on these, and a lot of people are afraid. They don't want to bite into something like that. But I'm not gonna back down. Grow up. We're gonna cut one open just to see what it's like. Should have brought my yarmulke, right? But this one, not the best shape, but we're gonna test this one. This I'm gonna save for seeds to grow. I grew them a couple seasons back, and here's what they look like a couple seasons back. Tons of different shapes. Some look almost perfect, and yeah, these are a good pepper. They're kind of fruity, nice. They're maybe like a jalapeno, and the heat is comparable. Probably, not sure. The last one I did was I diced it up. I wasn't ready for your jokes, but this time we're just gonna cut it to see. Oof, that. Oh man, that hurts just doing it to this Peter. Sorry, but we're gonna have to see what it's like. It's very juicy. The walls are medium walls. Not too bad. They got a decent amount of seeds, and they smell great. They smell like a nice juicy pepper. And I usually say comment seeds to win these, but this time we're gonna go with some jokes. Drop a penis joke and have a chance to win these seeds. So the seeds kind of run down. They have placenta all the way down, and I'm gonna remove a little bit of seeds that are running towards the half. I'm gonna bite. Oh man. Yeah, let's behave out there in the comments, okay? Tons of seeds. Jim and Mallory, we're gonna get these, but they decided I should do it and they should get the Reaper, but the Reaper Lemon Drop. Fine. we're all adults here. This is not a big deal. This is the one with the zipper accident in the tip. Here we go. Peter Pepper, 2019 grow. Not bad. Nice. It's very sweet, and there's no, I'm pretty sure I got some seeds right there. I didn't go far enough getting seeds out. But the placenta's not bitter or anything. And the heat, I think the heat stays right around the habanero. And did you see my coworker? He thought I constructed this pepper. He's like, "What the hell you do? How you put that in there?" I'm like, "Dude, you want me to show you the plant?" And as soon as he realized that it was grown, immediately asked for seeds. Says he's sending it to DR he had gotten some seeds and he sent out to grow in DR to his people, so I think he wants to add these. But yeah, the Peter Pepper is not just for show, man. It's not a showboat. This is a tasty pepper. It is pretty good. Nice and sweet. I think these are very close to jalapenos. These could be a jalapeno cross. I don't know the history on this, but they are good, man. I would say right there with jalapeno heat. There's some seeds for you to win right there. And don't worry, it's not the best peanuts joke that's gonna win. It's gonna be at random. But I'll save this bad boy for seeds of my growth. And a few others. Yeah. Definitely have a little heat to go with the flavor. Not bad. So, there it is. Remember, go easy on me in the comments. Don't go nuts in there. That's why I brought you to a classroom. If you want to act up, there will be consequences and repercussions. Cheers. Thanks for watching. Comment, get some seeds, grow it out. See you next time.